this is just a breakdown. 你喜欢就看，不喜欢也不用紧。
Okay. No, it's just there's a lot of names that need to remember. Then it's like very...
There are 4 sections. 4 sections, I just divide this into 4 sections, but you got some extras down here that I think might be helpful. QA, right, what they do is they want you to identify guesses. They want you to do some tests, and then after that, because of certain characteristics displayed by the results, then they want you to guess the identity of the substance, right? This is what we are going through. Right? So sometimes, I mean, I know they don't talk about colors and all that, but you do see like in your questions, they always talk about some color, blue color, green color. Yeah. So we usually talk about color. So I compiled a list of colors that you may see.
Okay.
So which means, right, colorless substances usually are dilute acids and all that. Black color, you have that few. But like maybe certain things like iron sulfide and iron and manganese oxide, you may not see it very often. Do you have any issues with identifying the symbols?
I can't really remember it.
Is all these I can recognize and
Yeah.
So I can just assume you know because then blue color is copper ion, all this. I think you just keep this chart. Then you compare. Then you're talking about if you stir something and then after that it becomes dissolved and then you get colorless solution, right? The color that colorless solution, right, actually indicates that there are maybe these few things present.
Oh, okay.
Like sodium chloride is white color, right? You throw into water, it dissolves, and then it becomes colorless. That kind of colorless is actually under white.
Oh, okay.
Then the first line, right, that colorless, right, is actually just when the substance given to you, right, is already colorless.
Oh, okay.
Then colors you might want to always take note is the blue color, the reddish brown, the green color.
Okay. But what's the difference between the iron 2 and iron 3?
One is in what aspect? One is dirty green and one is reddish brown. Then like it's a different compound altogether.
Oh.
That means you see that iron 2 and iron 3, right, the charge is different.
Oh.
The iron will come out different. Then after that, then because the charge is different, the iron is different, the resulting compound is different.
Okay.
Yeah. Then iron 2 will convert to iron 3 if you leave it there to stand and then it will oxidize. Have you done oxidation and reduction?
Yeah. Reduction never do, but oxidation got.
Just started only, huh?
I think so.
So solubility is another thing you are in the last year of the syllabus. Next year is new syllabus. Next year don't need to do this.
Oh, then why we need to?
Because this year Sec 3 got a new syllabus, so they take out some stuff and put in new things. And then in general, the question become more thinking question, more application. So a lot of memorize and vomit kind of question will disappear.
Okay.
Yeah, so this one, sorry lah, you need to know.
Okay.
There is nothing to explain other than memorizing this thing, because this one will help you identify what is soluble and what is insoluble.
Okay.